Krownedballer, take one. Action. That's a wrap.
What's up, babies? Welcome back to another video. My name is Kay and this is Krownedballer. First things first, before we even get into this video, if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, it's almost like, what are you doing? Like, what are you doing? Well, wait. Hit that red subscribe button down below. Join our team. Come sit in our bench. We would love to have you here, of course. Also, follow me on all of my social medias. They'll be on the screen. And if not, they'll be in the description box below. Y'all know how this goes. So without any further ado, let's get into this video. All right, now I can't be moving my head so much because my little bun is unstable. So as you guys can tell from the title of this video, y'all, I finally did it by popular demand. There is no adhesive, there is no glue, there is no got to be glue, there's no got to be gel, there's no melting spray, there's no nothing. I told you guys that I really wanted to do a video for you all that showed how I lay down my wigs, how I play in my wigs, and that is without any adhesive, and it's only needle and thread. Literally, I just sewed my around the lace. This is a 5x5 lace closure, and I just sewed around the lace, and then I sewed around the back of my head just to give that extra security. But other than that, little baby, she ain't going nowhere. I've done this video before, but I have like glued down the lace, or I have like melted the lace with like got to be glued, or you know, melting spray, and I didn't want to do that for this video. Obviously it's much easier because this is a lace closure, so you don't have as much lace to be responsible for, which is the reason why I actually did it, just because I know that it will be a little bit easier and it's very beginner friendly. I showed you guys how I braid down my hair, like the pattern that I use especially for a lace closure, and then how I installed this wig or whatever. You can't tell me that's not me. It's on me, baby. It's on me. If you guys are actually interested in this wig, I will link it above in the cards or in the description box below. I'm not really gonna say where this wig is from. I'm actually like going forward, unless it's a sponsorship or a collaboration video. Like, I'm tired of promoting these companies for free. Okay, unless I really just want to give y'all a tea on a company, like y'all know I'm baddie on a budget, we're balling on a budget, okay? So unless I want to just spill the tea on a company that I feel like is worthy of you guys to purchase from, I'm not giving these companies no more free promo in my videos, period. All 2020, we making money or we're not making any noise, period. But I will promote the custom color that your girl did. This was actually my birthday hair from July. This wig is literally 6 months old, literally. I dyed it for my birthday in July, and I was in Miami Bay. I'm gonna post a picture or whatever because your girl was fire. I'm gonna do a separate like review video, but you guys can just check the video out or just stay in the dark. Okay, praise God. I'm gonna stop yapping because I actually have to run out to go to practice, but I'm gonna go grab some food and then head to physio. But I love you guys so freaking much. I can't wait to see you on the next one. Give me a kiss. Mwah. Okay, baby, so we're gonna hop right into this video. I am working on semi-dirty hair. It needs to be washed. I deep conditioned it probably maybe a week or so ago, but like, we just gonna move past it, okay? We're gonna go into another protective style, and we're just gonna, you know, let love live. All right, so what I'm doing, you guys see me kind of parting off the edges, and this is hair that I'm going to braid. These are going to be like the anchor braids for if I was to sew down the front of my wig, or if I was to, like I'm going to do, put clips in them. Okay, so I'm just showing you guys like my braid pattern, and I'm just showing you guys that I'm spraying water on my hair just so that like it's easier to manage. Like, some people like to blow dry their hair before they braid it. Those people are good on time, and your girl is not. Okay, praise God. So once I braid into that second braid, I'm just showing you guys that I take that second braid, and I'm just going to continue to wrap that braid all the way around my neck. And that is also going to be another braid that you can use to sew along or sew your wig on. So here is the completed braid pattern. Yes, I know my braids look real raggedy, but the purpose of this braid down is only literally for the front and the middle, or wherever you're going to have your part. So once I have braided everything down, I'm just going to use my Do Grow Stimulating Growth Oil. You can use whatever your favorite oil is. This is the one that I choose, and I'm just kind of moisturizing my hair and, you know, putting all the oils into my crevices and all that. So I'm just showing you guys this wig, and as you can see, the lace is pretty exposed. Like, the girl needs some love, okay? She just needs some love. So what I'm going to do is just spray some water on the front of that lace and then comb it back so that I could actually see how much lace is exposed in the front. And then I'm kind of like fitting her on my head just so I can see. And again, just showing you guys, like, I just wanted to push everything to the back so we can really see exactly what we're working with. Okay, this is almost like, you know, showing you how to kind of restore a old wig or lace that is, like, you know, hair that is balding on a frontal or a closure. Just cut the excess lace off. Okay, we're just gonna get rid of it as close to the hairline as possible, and that's what I'm doing. I'm just using my scissors. This is HD lace, so I don't really care about like the jagged edge. I'm just trying to get rid of that lace. So I am, as you can see from my face, trying to put those combs into that anchor braid. Now please be careful. I definitely went in with some Do Grow, and every day I actually take the combs out when I go to sleep and stuff, and then I've used the Do Grow oil to like kind of massage my braids and prepare them before I put the combs in. So I just wanted to let you guys know that, because, you know, we not losing no edges all 2022. Okay, praise God. But speaking of edges, I am using some new Kiss edge control. It's like cannabis or CBD oil, like, I don't know, infused. I'm not really sure why or what it does. It's supposed to like grow your natural edges, like be good for your natural edges. Obviously these aren't my natural edges, so I'm interested to see exactly what they do on my natural edges. But it was an okay little edge control. It did what it needed to do, but it wasn't the best. Anywho, so I added some makeup to my lace just so we can turn that into Scalp-like. And if you guys want, that is where you end this install. Like, that is all that you need to do. You don't need to do anything else. Literally, your wig is done. For me, y'all know I play basketball. I work out every day, multiple times a day, child, and we don't have time for the slips. So I'm literally just showing you guys, if you want to actually do the same, you can sew your wig down. So this is almost similar to a lace closure sew-in. Y'all know we used to do them things. Like, we acting like we forgot where we came from. Like, let's be real. We done came from the bottom, okay? Like, let's be real with ourselves. Anywho, so this is similar to a lace closure sew-in, where you would sew around the lace of your closure and on evenly on both sides, to make sure that you have security, okay? To make sure that lace is not lifting. This was before we were introduced to any adhesives, glues, got to be gels and all of that stuff. We just used to use needle and thread. So I am a connoisseur of needle and thread, and just because I know, like, I have extra security with needle and thread, I always, sew my wigs on. So now that I'm done, I went ahead and I'm gonna just cut the ends of my hair because they was looking a little straggly. Okay, I do have a review coming for this wig because I got a couple things. I got a couple things to say, like, and my voice needs to be heard, and I want you guys to hear it. Okay, like, we need to talk about it. We just need to talk. This wig initially was 250% density, and let me tell y'all now, the 250 has been reduced significantly. Praise God. Okay, so we're gonna talk about that on another video, but I just wanted to like style it for you guys. So I just brushed all the hair from the lace closure and into like a little ponytail in the back of my head, or the back of the top of my head, I should say. And then I'm just spraying a little bit of warm water on to the hair to kind of like make everything all uniform and defined. I did like curl this hair, I did straighten this hair a couple times, and I feel like it lost its curl pattern a bit. But you know what, again, we're gonna talk about that in another video. This is pretty much it. I just wanted to show you guys my ultimate glueless install. Y'all see her, that is my hairline. If you don't know, now you do. But that is all for this video. I hope that you all enjoyed it. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below for your girl any things, comments, questions, or concerns that you want to hear, and I will see you guys on the next one. Now give me a kiss. Mwah.